So we are going. So this is the recipes. See, everyone.
First thing it says is a half cup of glue.
We put in this bowl.
Okay. The next thing is another half cup. So 1/2 cup plus 1/2 cup. You have half and a half and they come together. What's it make?
Together.
Yeah. Say I have half an apple and I have another half an apple and I put them together. What do I have?
A whole.
That's right, a whole. Good job. Okay. Next, it says add food coloring.
Yep.
Yep.
We are going to add 2 drops of each color.
How about start with 1 drop? Because you can always make it darker. That's okay.
I like it that way. I'm making rainbow. Is the color going to mix?
Yes, it will.
But it was the same color in some spots.
I don't know. This is an experiment.
Now we mix it.
Now you mix it. Whoa, rainbow.
That's what I want. See, I'm making it. This is how I want it.
Okay,
Look, see?
I see that.
Isn't that pretty?
Next thing, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Got the baking soda.
Mm-hmm.
Let me put it in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yep, just like that. Yep. And mix that in. Now it says add lotion.
Got the lotion.
I'm not sure if this is open yet. So like 2 squirts. Yep. 1 more. There you go. Mix that up. All right. Does it need anything else in it?
Glitter.
Glitter.
You can add any other things you want in it. And then you add some shaving cream.
That's the next recipe.
That's going to be the next recipe.
This is the lotion one.
I really like glitter.
Yeah.
So, that's how I want it to look.
Okay. Next, it says add contact solution.
Contact solution we have. We haven't opened this one ingredient, which is contact solution.
Okay. Start mixing.
What are those drags from?
That's where it's already reacting and turning into slime. Still goopy.
So, next time I'm going to make a different color, and next time, and we are going to make another for a video for Mr. Kaiser, and this is going to be for Mr. Kaiser too.
It's almost there.
You're getting it out?
Just about time to get it out.
Bubble.
I know, it's getting bubbles!
But why?
'Cause it's turning into stretch slime. Okay.
Time to get it out.
There you go, stretch slime.
Are we going to wash this away?
We're gonna keep playing with it.
Until it's done being made?
Yeah.
When it's done being made, is it going to come off of us?
Yeah. 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 See, it's sticking to itself and coming off the table.
What about me?
Well, hold on. I'll get it off of you.
More activator?
Hold on.
Yeah.
Picking it up everywhere. Nope. Nope.
Yeah.
See, it's coming off of you.
Look, it's clear like webbing.
It is like webbing.
But why?
I got frog hands.
I got frog hands.
That's how their webbing is. It's thin skin between their fingers.
Mix, 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 mix.
Yeah, it's so stretchy.
What do people make out of frog webbing?
I don't think they make anything, but they do eat frog legs.
Why?
Because humans will eat about anything they can get in their mouth. We're a lot like a chicken. Ah, stretchy!
Look, webbing.
Ooh, webbing.
Look, I put it wet.
Oh, you're turning into a tadpole.
That's not true.
Or you got mermaid hands.
Mermaids don't have webbing.
Some do.
Real mermaids. Real life mermaids.
Ah, real life mermaids.
Not all real life mermaids have that.
Maybe there's different kinds of mermaids.
Yes, there is different kinds of mermaids.
Think we could. What would happen if we got a straw and blew bubbles into it?
Sure.
Okay. All right. Straw in. Whoop! That didn't work. Let's try that again.
Like a little breathe hole. See a breathe hole?
Yeah.
See your breathe hole?
Did you see that
Isn't that cool?
one? Watch. Okay.
I broke it. I'm going to make my own.
Oh, Oh, you had a big one down the bottom. Do it again. I closed up the hole. Wow!